If Firefox is not updating on Windows, yeah, that means you might be stuck on an old version, missing features, or even security fixes. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is working properly. I mean, Firefox can't download updates if your connection is unstable. Next, close Firefox fully and reopen it. Sometimes the update service just gets stuck in the background. Now go to Help, then About Firefox, and manually check for updates. Yeah, this forces Firefox to recheck the update server. Next, disable any VPN or proxy. These can block Firefox from reaching update servers. Now check your system date and time. I mean, incorrect time can break secure update verification. Next, clear Firefox cache and temporary data. Yeah, corrupted files can stop updates from downloading properly. Now try running Firefox as administrator. Sometimes permission issues block the update process. Next, check your antivirus. I mean, some security tools can block Firefox updates by mistake. Now, if updates still fail, download the latest version directly from the official Firefox website and reinstall it. Yeah, this replaces broken update components. Next, refresh your Firefox profile. Corrupted profile settings can also block updates from completing. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Firefox completely. I mean, this fixes deep update system issues. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve Firefox not updating on Windows and get you back on the latest version.